Hello everyone and welcome to a new Mautic Features video. This time we'll discuss assets. You can upload under assets files, could be PDF, Word or Excel by simply clicking on the new button. Drag and drop your files inside the box or click inside the box, select your file and upload it from your computer. By default, the title will be the name of the file. The description, you can add the description for this file, and finally save and close. You can preview the file, download it or print it. You can use this file as an attachment when sending an email to a contact. When you click inside the attachments box, you'll be able to select the file. You can select multiple files. You can also use the link to this file. Click and copy this link. And then add this link to your text. Highlight the word, use insert link, and then paste the link you copied. When they receive this email and click on the word here, they'll be able to download the file as well. Also, under emails, you can add an attachment to your segment email or template email. Under advanced, you have the attachment option where you can also select your files. And same thing when you are building an email, you can, of course, add the link to your file. If this text is download here, then your URL could be the link to this file. If you don't want to use this file anymore, you can simply come back and delete it. That's all regarding the assets option in Mautic.